Now, we will discuss assistive and accessible technologies. There are many ways to make lessons and materials more efficient. Sometimes, also, certain accessible and assistive technologies are needed. Assistive technologies are designed to improve the functional capabilities of a child with a disability. An example would be a modified or braille keyboard. The keyboard is specifically tailored to the functional needs of a child who may have motor needs or have a visual impairment. Because of the modification of the keyboard, the student is more likely to be able to use it. In lesson planning, you can think about ways in which you can use assistive technology to benefit your students' functional needs. Accessible technologies are flexible hardware or software that provides access to accessible materials. This can include voice assistants, being able to zoom in on text, and having options for both text and audio. For instance, it may be useful if you have textual directions to encourage students with visual impairments to zoom in on the text so that they can see. Having directions that are both textual and auditory allows some students to read the directions, if that is their need or preference, and others to listen to the directions. Having these sorts of directions also does not need to be mutually exclusive of its benefits. Students may benefit from being able to view what to do while also hearing an auditory explanation. Accessible technologies can benefit a variety of students. Let's think about how to use these sorts of technologies in lesson planning. I would like to pose a couple of reflection questions for your consideration. How can you use assistive technology to support your students in using coding? Give an example. How can you use an accessible technology to support your students in learning coding? Provide an example.